Right, what is up YouTube? We're back on the channel. It's been a while. Had a little bit of time off actually, a little holiday. Not much working on cars actually, but you'll see we're in front of the Civic. Something weird and electric going by. There we go. Yaris Hybrid. Very weird noise. Good on the fuel though. But anyway, back here with the Civic, but nothing's broken actually this time. Little celebratory video because we got to, well, we went past 69 subscribers, which I was going to do a little event for, but I forgot, and we're at 83 now as of this morning. What we come to show you on the Civic is we got a new MOT, no advisories, so we must be doing something right on this channel. Right then, sorry about any more noise, people going around on the road, how dare they. Right, the Civic, I'll show you what I've done. And remember that, what was it, the steering wheel from the scrapyard? We've only gone on and fitted it. Right, so here's the steering wheel that I retrimmed. I got the red stitching on in to match the red of the exterior of the car. Got the airbag on. The horn works, everything works. But there's this bit here which actually I'm not particularly happy about. You can see there's a bit of an air bubble right in there. Right where your thumb goes. You can I don't know if you can sort of see it. There you go. So you can see that bit there, right where your thumb goes. I need to like re-glue this corner, but I've had it all apart, just trying to stretch it over. Maybe get a little bit more tape in there. So that was the news on the Civic. Fresh MOT, not a single advisory. New steering wheel, pretty nice. But the reason for this video is I've bought some more scrap. I know. I love it. I love rust. You know, nothing too serious, all serviceable. But let me go and show you. Right then, so just going back around here into the car park. Now, even though I said I've bought some more rust, it is not another car. It's just a few little bits for the E30 here. So go around. I'll show you what I've been doing on this while I haven't had the camera out. There we go. Here we go, guys. Got a nice old bed sheet in the boot of the car. We got some, you know, some rear discs on some trailing arms, particularly crusty, and not too sure how they are going in comparison to my one. I've got both sides. Picked these up on Facebook Marketplace actually. It was about 100 quid for both sets with the calipers and everything. But I'll probably be doing discs and pads while it's off. Maybe even getting the calipers powder coated as well. So the plan for these, when I drop the rear subwoofer in the BMW in the next couple of weeks, you got to take trailing arms off anyway, so it's the perfect opportunity to fit the old disc brake conversion. So that is our plan. Yeah, actually the bushes on these don't look that bad either, but we're going to do the whole lot. Probably strip it down, new bearings, new bushes, new brakes, get it powder coated, send it off to the coaters. Might end up having to do some of these brake lines. I mean, actually doesn't look, you know, it's all old and crusty, but it came off an E30, so it's to be expected really. And this, obviously the elephant in the room, some of you might know what this is already. So this is a sump for the BMW M50, 52, possibly 54 engine. Yeah, that's the 6-cylinder, 2.5, 2.8, 3 litre, and this is actually what you need to fit to the engine to make it fit inside the E30 chassis. So we picked up one of those, what was that, a couple hundred quid, 250 I think it was, with the oil pickup, all oil dipstick level. So yeah, that might be a bit of a giveaway as to what's happening in the future. Hopefully this year. But, you know, depends what happens. Can't really do it here, obviously, in the car park. There's not really enough space to have all those things. But yeah, so there's a little clue what's going to happen. Well, thanks for joining me today, guys. I know this isn't very exciting, very long, but hopefully it does show you a few things that's coming up on the channel in the near future. So keep your eyes tuned. The next video is probably going to be me stripping down these arms, maybe giving them a wire brush, just seeing how they look. getting them shot blasted after that, I expect. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you next time.